Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platforms, which is Linux Mint and Ubuntu. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Linux Mint in 2025 is one of the easiest distro for beginners, offering a window-like desktop, pre-installed codec, and a strong stability. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and avoid the headache of manual setup. The downside is that it's based on Ubuntu LTS, so it isn't as cutting edge and may lag on the latest software. Talking about Ubuntu, by contrast, is the more mainstream option with huge community, frequent update, and a wide hardware support. It's polished and integrates well with enterprise tools, making it a reliable, all-rounded. However, its resilience and snap can slow performance and frustrate some users. In short, Mint is better for everyday desktop user who want simplicity, while Ubuntu is ideal for those who value broader support and a fast update. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.